Hello and welcome to the first lecture of our harmonic trading. In this lecture, we will cover the basic introduction to harmonics. Okay. So harmonic patterns are basically formed by capturing previous highs and lows. And once these highs and lows are captured, they form some geometric patterns to provide us precise reversal levels. Yes, the harmonic levels are very precise reversal levels and very accurate levels. You will see in the coming lectures practically. Harmonic trading was invented by H.M. Gartley. He invented two patterns, ABCD and Gartley pattern. Later, after some years, came Mr. Scott M. Carney and he reinvented these patterns into bat, shark, butterfly, cipher, and many more, crab, deep crab. We will see all of them. So this is basics. This is the base of harmonic pattern. This who invented it and who reinvented the patterns. Let's see the unique features of harmonic. Harmonic trading provides us clear-cut entry and exit. You may know when to enter, when to exit 1 month prior, 15 days prior, whenever you identify a pattern. Even for tomorrow, when to take the trade, at what time this will enter the PRZ and when you will take the trade. You will see this clarity in coming lectures when we draw the patterns practically. It can be applied to any time frame, right from 1 minute to weekly and monthly charts. The lower the time frame, faster the move. It can be applied to any market, stock market, commodity market, currency market, forex market, whatever you think of. Works for all these segments: equity, F&O, uh, yeah, F&O covers futures and options, everything. Along with precise reversal levels, it also provides us the date and time of reversal. That is very great. You learn the Gann analysis. It provides us very precise reversal dates also. But here it provides us approximate reversal dates that are also very accurate. The basis of harmonics is Fibonacci. Yes, guys, the Fibonacci is the base of harmonic trading. Who was Fibonacci? He was an Italian mathematician who invented a sequence. You can see in this sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. This sequence can go up to infinity. And how do we derive this? How do we derive this? We will see it on an Excel sheet. So guys, this is the Excel sheet in which I have written this Fibonacci sequence. Okay. You can see this sequence clearly. Now, how do we get this next number? When we add the previous two numbers, we get the next number. When you add this number, you get the next number. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, and so on. It can go up to infinity. Now, with these Fibonacci sequence, you can derive some ratios. Okay, these ratios are very important, and how to derive these ratios, we will explain that also. Guys, I would like to tell you that nobody is going to ask you what is the base of harmonics, what are Fibonacci ratios. Nobody is going to ask you, but we are covering everything from a scratch so that you know the base on which you are trading. If you know the logic, it is easy to fetch the profits from the market. So to derive the ratios, After the eighth number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After this number, when you divide any number, with its previous number or its next number, you get a ratio. 1.618 approximately, 0.618 approximately. When you divide far number, you get another ratio. So you continue to get these ratios up to infinity, and you get these ratios regular basis. After the eighth number, if you divide this, you can get these kind of ratios. All right. Now these ratios are very, very important. These ratios are very, very important for harmonic trading. We use these ratios for harmonic trading. Okay. Now the ratios that are greater than 1 are known as projections. The ratios those are less than 1 are known as retracement. We will see practically how to draw them on chart. Okay. Before moving to the charts, let's have a look at these Fibonacci ratios. The ratios less than 1 are 0.236, 0.382, 0.50, 0.618, 0.707, 0.786, and 0.886. Greater than 1, 1.13, 1.272, 1.414, 1.618, 2, 2.4, and 2.61. So these are the basic Fibonacci ratios. Now we will see a little bit of importance of these ratios. This derivation also, if you don't know or don't understand, no issues. It is just for your knowledge. Primary ratios. 0.618 and 1.618 are known as primary derived ratios. As they are derived exactly from the nearest number, these are known as primary ratios. All the other ratios, 0.786, 0.886, 1.13, 1.272, are primary derived ratios, as these ratios are derived from primary ratios. Then there are complementary derived ratios, 0.382, which are derived from these primary derived ratios. Okay. So the base is 0.618 and 1.618. So it is very, very important. Now this ratio is reciprocal to each other. Okay. It is also known as 0.618 and 1.618 is known as the golden ratio. Yes, guys. This ratio is also known as phi, and it is known as golden ratio. Now, guys, I would like to tell you that this Fibonacci sequence also exists in nature. It is very, very important because Fibonacci is based on natural laws. It exists in nature. Yes. The petals of flowers. I don't know whether you have observed or not, but if you observe, the petals of flowers are in Fibonacci ratios. Sunflower seeds are in Fibonacci ratios. Human beings, actually the bones in our hands are in Fibonacci sequence. Seashell, if you see the seashells, you will get the shells in this sequence only. And there are many, many things, I mean, that we can cover, but I mean, we have limited scope to cover the Fibonacci because we are basically into harmonic trading. We are basically learning harmonic trading. So guys, it works very, very accurately because it is based on natural laws. Let's move on to charts, guys. You can use investing.com, you can use tradingview.com, or if your broker provides the chart, you can use that as well. Okay, I am using this platform as Zero the Kite. This is my broker and he is providing these trading view charts. So I can directly plot the patterns here itself. From here 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will find Fib retracement. We will see how to draw the Fibonacci retracement. So we will select this tool. Now this is a swing high. This is a swing low. It has reversed from here and now you want to know how far this stock of HDFC Bank can move up, where it can reverse, where it will have the resistance. So when you want to find out the upper side levels, when you need to find out the upper side levels, you draw Fibo from swing high to swing low. Also switch on to this magnet mode so that it takes highs and lows automatically. Just you have to draw, click once and then you have to drag it will to the swing low. It will give you some horizontal lines. Double click this pattern. You can check so that you get all the Fibonacci ratios. These are nothing but Fibonacci ratios and you can check them so that they get plotted on the chart. Click on the extend line so that the levels get extended. Check if you want to make it clearer. I will remove the background. It is up to you. You want to remove it or not. Now you have got some horizontal lines in front of you. These are the Fibo levels. These are the Fibonacci levels. Okay, that will act as support and resistance. So for us, Fibonacci is nothing but support and resistance lines. It will provide support to the market and it will create resistance for the market. Now, when you want to find out the upward levels, you draw Fibo from swing high to swing low. If you want to note down, you can note it down. Okay. This is important how to draw the Fibo. So please understand practically when you start drawing this one starting point is always 1 and ending point is 0. So these are the upward levels. Now you want to find out that it has started toppling down from here. It has started coming down from here. So we want to know the lower side, lower levels where it will get the support. Again, I will select the Fib retracement. To find out the lower side, we draw Fibo from low to high, swing low to swing high. And we get these levels 0.236, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786. All the levels are drawn and you get these fantastic Fibo levels. Is this clear? If yes, in assignment, you can draw the Fibonacci levels for any 5 stocks you like and send the screenshot in assignment group. In the next class, we will cover the harmonic patterns. Happy trading, folks. Bye for now.